you Slim Fuzzy? Oh, well, here, just take this. Easy, get out of here. But your shaft.
I think we're having a trip.
I hate that cat you are.
Please, everyone.
And you can't forget the organic oat flour.